It is officially moving day. We are leaving this office and going maybe 5 minutes down the road, but to something so much bigger and just gonna be so much more room. Gonna be able to do installations in-house, which is gonna be great for the engineering team on R&D, and then of course, the marketing team for all the social media content. Luckily, we don't have a ton of stuff to move, but at the end of the day, it's still moving, so it's gonna be some hard work. But yeah, super excited. Gonna miss this building, but on to bigger and better things. So my hand's getting tired holding this camera, so let's get packing. That was good. We're done. Check this out. We got an empty truck. Yes, but the work is not done because we gotta take it all. There'll be a studio spot, installation spot, where we do all of our R&D and marketing installations. And if you step in here, front entrance, and then this is where the engineers will be. Gonna have their cool setup in here. Got a Harry Potter closet, 3D printer. Give me, baby. Oh yeah. And then this is where I can tell everyone to get back to work. Brenda, back to work?
No.
No, that's not where I'm gonna say that from. I have a better spot. Got this area in here, kind of like a little break room situation. And then this is marketing. But this right here is where I will tell them to get back to work. Just kidding, they do an amazing work and they stay on task. All right, that's pretty much it. Always messing with me.
Oh yeah, you can't just see
It's going the wrong way. I know what's wrong with it, ain't got no gas in it. We finally finished. We are in the new building, not fully set up yet, but we have everything from the old office into the new office, and we are super stoked. A bit tired, but we made it, we're here. A lot of tidying up to do and organizing and kind of putting things where they need to go, but overall, it's an incredible place and we're super, super stoked on it. And we already have an install set up very, very soon, so look out for that. And till then, we're gonna get back to work and just get this finished up.